car club, he absolutely covets my Ford Roadster, yet he always says the leather is not restored to 1931 period standard. The color's all wrong. He is just one jealous bastard.
You know who doesn't have a rival? Don. Seriously, I've never heard him talk about anything.
Well, Don questions and challenges himself. He's like his own frenemy, so to speak. Maybe that's why we're in trouble. What is it that Rabbi Abraham Heschel said? The primary task of the philosophy of religion is to discover those questions to which religion is an answer.
Now, did my dad tell you that? About Don going to temple?
No. Don did. He told you? He didn't tell me.
What's up?
No, nothing. Just something Tuna said about Vanguard members having hybrid.
Maybe we should call local colleges.
Keep this up, buddy. You don't realize I will outsmart your stupid ass. Camera.
Oh! Yeah, baby!
Justify the means. I'm saying if you don't bring a knife to a gunfight, what I'm saying, you pull a knife on me, I got a gun. So I'm going to defend myself. You keep your cute little knife. But if you're trying to smear me, you're trying to defame me, and you're taking me to court, okay, you could win. That's fine. But should we as companies go after those people and say, you know, that's not enough. That's not enough. I want to teach everybody else.
I want to put an end to this now.
I'm putting an end to this nonsense.
Yeah.
You don't do that. You don't do that. Where everybody else settles, walks away, just like, forget it. Let's just get back to work. I'm not sure that's the right thing to do anymore.
Either.
Back in a minute.
The Glenwick Progress.
A major plot in Belgium that was thwarted in January of this year, a kind of game-changer moment when it started pivoting towards directly launching attacks in the West. I think there's concern that it could really happen at just about any moment. There's a lot of energy in the system right now. I talk to Muslim community leaders, they're alarmed. They say that the